Hi everybody. In previous video, you already discussed about androecium. Androecium is distinguished into anther filament and anther. Okay, anther filament is a stalk-like structure, and anther is a fertile portion in the androecium. It is either dithecous or monothecous. This means in monothecous anther consists only single loop, and dithecous anther consists two loops. Every loops have two pollen sacs. This means in dithecous anther consists of four pollen sacs. Okay, every pollen sac is filled with diplontic spore mother cells. These are meiotically developed to form haploid pollen grains. This means pollens. Okay, next one. On the basis of their adhesion, stamens are categorized into either epipetalous. This means stamens are present on the petals. Epicephalous. This means stamens are present on the sepals. This means calyx. Epiphylous. This means anthers are present on perianth. Okay. Next one. On the basis of their cohesion, anthers are also categorized into monodelphous. This means member of stamens are united to form single bundle. Didelphous. This means member of anthers are forms to two bundles. Polydelphous. This means member of bundles are forms to form more than two bundles. Example, citrus, Next one. Stamens are basically equal in their height, but some are either tetradenymous or didenymous. Didenymous means two stamens are short, two stamens are long. Tetradenymous means outer two stamens are short, inner four stamens are very long compared to outer oral stamens. Next one. Stamens are either inserted or accepted. Inserted means the stamens are emergent into the petal. They are not exposed to out of the petal. Next one. These are the inserted stamens. Inserted stamens. Accepted stamens means they are easily exposed out of the petal. Next one. Anthers either introse or extrose. Introse means the facing of the anther is towards the inner side of the flower. This means towards the gynoecium. Extrose means the anther facing is towards the periphery of the gynoecium or towards the sepals, towards the petals. Okay, this type of anthers are known as extrose. Understand? Next one, the sterile stamens are known as staminoids. The sterile pistil is also known as pistiloid. Okay, the sterile stamens these are not produced any haploid pollen grains. Okay, the type of stamens are known as the staminoids. Okay, next one. In some anthers are united and anther filaments are free. Understand? In some flowers, androecium, anthers are united. They are fused with one another. But anther filaments are all free. This type of anthers are known as syngenesious. Okay? Example, Tridax procumbens. Some species like Cucurbitaceae members, the stamens united both along the filaments and anther. This type of anthers are known as synandrous. Example, cucurbita, male flowers. Now in this video, I want to go to discuss about one of the female reproductive organ of flower. That one is gynoecium. Okay, the gynoecium is a female reproductory part of the flower. Female reproductory part of the flower. It is mainly made up of one or more carpels. Carpels. This means gynoecium is mainly made up of carpels. Okay, it is distinguished into ovary, style, stigma. This means the carpel contain ovary, style, stigma. And this one is the ovary. It is a basal part of the gynoecium, and it is consist more number of ovules on this placenta. Next one, a long stalk-like structure is present above the ovary. It is called style, and a tip of the style is known as stigma. Okay, in this way, the carpel is consist ovary, style, and stigma. Ovary, style, and stigma. Okay, next one. This means gynoecium is made up of carpels. These carpels are vary from species to species. In some species, only one carpel is present. This type of gynoecium is known as monocarpellary. Monocarpellary. Example, Dolichos lablab, chikudu. Okay. In some species, two carpels are present in the gynoecium. It is known as bicarpellary. Bicarpellary. Bi means two. Okay. Example, sunflower and solanum. Sunflower and solanum species. Carpellary. That means gynoecium consists of three carpels. Example, Gloriosa superba, glory, lily, and also Lilium candidum, lily. Pentacarpellary. That means the gynoecium consists of five carpels. Five carpels. You know already, Ebilmuscus esculentus. Okay, lady finger, and also China rose. These both are consist of five carpels in their gynoecium. So it is known as pentacarpellary. Carpellary. That means more than five carpels in the presence in the gynoecium. Okay, more than five carpels are known as multicarpellary. You know, Michelia, and also another one, Abutilon indicum. Abutilon indicum, Tutturubenda. Abutilon indicum and rose. Rose, Michelia, and Abutilon indicum species are consist more than two carpels in their gynoecium. This type of gynoecium is known as multicarpellary. Carpels is called megasporophyll. Megasporophyll. The anthers are also known as microsporophyll. But these carpels are known as megasporophyll. This megasporophyll is consist of ovary, style, and stigma. Ovary, style, and stigma. Okay. Next one. In some species, ovary not produced fertile ovules in their structure. This type of pistil is known as, that means a sterile pistil is known as pistiloid. Sterile pistil is known as pistiloid. Sterile stamens are also known as staminoid. Sterile pistil is known as pistiloid. Understand? Next one. The gynoecium is the free carpels. This means carpels are either free or united. Free or fused with one another. So in some gynoecium with free carpels are known as apocarpus. Apocarpus. Okay. Example: lotus, rose, magnolia, and michelia. Michelia species. In this michelia, magnolia, rose, and lotus flowers, the gynoecium with the free carpels is known as apocarpus. Carpels are fused with one another. When carpels are fused, it is known as a syncarpus. Remember, syncarpus means what? The carpels are fused with one another. The type of gynoecium is known as syncarpus. Syncarpus, it is very important technical term. Apocarpus and syncarpus. Syncarpus means the carpels are united, and apocarpus means carpels are free. Syncarpus example: tomato and mustard. Tomato and mustard. One, ovules are attached to flattened coizen structure. Okay, and the ovary. It is known as placenta. This is one. Placenta. Placenta means what? It is a ovules attached flattened coizen structure in the ovary. It is known as placenta. Okay. Next one. The arrangement of ovules on placenta is known as placentation. Okay, placentation. Placentation means what? The distribution of placenta within the ovary. The distribution of placenta within the ovary is known as placentation. Okay, these placentations are categorized into majorly five types. What are they? The first one is marginal placentation. Marginal placentation. In this marginal placentation, placenta forms a ridge along the vertical structure, and the ovules are borne on the ridge, forming two rows. Example: Dolichus labla, Phaseolus mungo, Phaseolus aureus. And this way, the Leguminosae family members shows this type of marginal placentation. Marginal placentation means placenta forms a ridge along the vertical structure, and the ovules are borne on the ridge, forming two rows. How many rows? Two rows. Okay. The seeds or ovules are present on one side of the fruit, one side of the ovary. Okay. This type of placenta is known as marginal placentation. Example: Dolichus. Next one, axial placentation. In this axial placentation, especially found in multilocular ovary, not uni, bilocular, trilocular, tetralocular, pentalocular. More than 5 locules are present in the ovary. This type of locule containing ovary is known as multilocular ovary. Understand? So, it is axial placentation is mainly found in multilocular ovary. Next one, the placenta occur in the central region. Placenta ekkada untundi? Central region. Next one, ovules are bearing where septa meet on placenta. Where septa or meet in placenta. Where septa meet on placenta, the ovules are born at the meet region. Okay, this type of placentation is known as axial placentation. It is found in multilocular ovary. Example, hibiscus rosa sinensis, lady finger, and also citrus. Another one, solanum. In this solanum species, citrus species, hibiscus species, lady fingers consist this type of axial placentation. Understand? Another one, parietal placentation. And this parietal placentation, ovules developed on the inner wall of the ovary. Inner wall of the ovary. Okay. At a point where adjacent carpels, side by side carpels fuse. ఎక్కడైతే సైడ్ బై సైడ్ కార్పెల్స్ ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాయో అక్కడ మనకి adjacent దగ్గర మనకి ఓవిల్స్ అనేవి ఈ విధంగా డెవలప్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, అడ్జసెంట్ కార్పెల్స్ ఎక్కడైతే మనకి ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతాయో ఆ ఫ్యూజ్ అయిన ప్లేస్ లో నుంచి మనకి ఓవిల్స్ అనేవి డెవలప్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్, one chambered ovary becomes two chambered due to the formation of false septum or ripplum. Remember this word, very very important. Okay, the two chambers are due to the formation of a false septum or false ripplum. False septum is also known as the ripplum. Due to the presence of this one chambered ovary become two chambered. One chamber become two chambered. మనకి ఫాల్స్ సెప్టమ్ ఫామ్ అవడం వల్ల ఒక ఛాంబర్ అనేది రెండు ఛాంబర్స్ గా కనిపిస్తుంది. రెండు ఛాంబర్స్ గా కనిపిస్తుంది ఈ విధంగా. ఓకే, డ్యూ టు ద ఫాల్స్ సెప్టమ్ ఆర్ రెప్లమ్. రెప్లమ్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవడం వల్ల సింగిల్ మోనోకార్పలరీ ఓవరీ అనేది బైకార్పలరీగా, బైకార్పలరీ ఓవరీ అనేది టెట్రాకార్పలరీగా మనకు కనిపిస్తుంది. డ్యూ టు ద ఫార్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫాల్స్ సెప్టమ్ ఫార్మేషన్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, మస్టర్డ్ అండ్ argemone. Mustard and also argemone species. Okay. Another one, free central placentation. It is very very important. 2 marks question also. Free central placentation. This means ovules are born on central axis. Okay, but without septa. Without septa. This one is a carpel. This one is a placenta. This placenta is not completely separated the ovary because it is not completely separated ovary. Okay, ovules are born on central axis without septa. It is not continuous. The placenta is not continuous to the ovary. Not continue. If this placenta is continue to the ovary, it is completely carpels are separated. But this one is not completely separated the ovary into the carpels. Hence, it is a central, but without septa is formed. Without septa is formed in this. Okay, in this the ovules are born on this without septa placenta. without septa placenta. Okay, this type of placentation is known as free central placentation. You know, example very very important, dianthus. And the dianthus and primroses species and also dianthus species are the best example to the free central placentation. Free central placenta. Free central placenta means the septa are absent. Okay, ovules are born on the central axis without septa. Example, dianthus. Some species like Asteraceae family members, this means sunflower and marigold like flowers, consist two types of florets. These are ray florets and disky florets. Okay, and these flowers or florets consist, placenta is present at the base of the ovary. At the base of the ovary. So the placenta developed at the base of the unilocular ovary. How many locules are present in this ovary? Only single. Unilocular ovary. And single ovule is attached to the base of it. A single ovule is present at the base of it. This means it consists only monocarpellary ovary. Monocarpellary ovary. And the ovule is present at the base of the ovary. So, this type of placentation is known as basal placentation. Basal placentation. Example, sunflower and marigold. Once see this, diagrammatically explain some words. The gynoecium is distinguished into stigma, style and ovary. Ovary consists ovules and placenta. Okay, in the smallest chambers called carpels. This means the gynoecium consists carpels. If this gynoecium consists of single carpel, it is called monocarpellary. Consists two carpels, it is called dicarpellary. Three carpels, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay, it is called tricarpellary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentacarpellary. More than 5, it is called multicarpellary. Understand? Next one. Ovules are arranged on placenta, is known as placentation. And the marginal placentation shows 1, 2 rows in one side of the ovary and their margin. Okay, it is known as marginal placentation. Axial. Axial means center of the carpels. Consist ovules. Peripheral placentation. This means peripherally wall of the ovary consist where carpels are adjacent to each other when the point ovules are developed. Next one, free central placentation. This means placenta is not continuous to separate carpels. Okay, it is incomplete. On this incomplete or complete placenta shows number of ovules on this. It is called free central placentation. It is also diagrammatically shows the vertical planet like this. Okay, like this. So many ovules are present on incomplete placenta. Next one, basal placenta. It is especially found in unilocular ovary. That means single locule is present in the carpels. Monocarpellary, monolocular ovary. At the base of this ovary consists single ovule. It is known as basal placentation. Okay. Another one, basically the style is arranged at the tip of the ovary. Okay, at the tip of the ovary. It is known as apical style. Apical style. This one is the apical style. But in some species, the style is at the side of the ovary. At the side of the ovary. It is known as a lateral style. It is known as lateral style. Example, Mangifera indica. In some species, the style is developed below the gynoecium. Below the gynoecium region. Okay, this type of style is known as gynobasic style. Gynobasic style. Example, Ocimum sanctum. Ocimum sanctum, Tulsi. Okay, in this Ocimum sanctum shows gynobasic style. Another one, feathery style. Feathery style means the style is apical, but the style is feathery. Okay, feather-like structure. It is feather-like structure easily arrest the pollen grains in this feather structure. So this type of feathery style especially found in Poaceae members. That means grass members. One, funnel shaped style. In this funnel shaped style, the style is look like a funnel in the shape. Pollen grains are easily enter into this funnel structure. This means that the stigma is easily captured, easily arrested pollen grains on the stigma. Example, one of the species, crocus species. Okay. Another one, radiate style. In this radiate style, hood-like a sessile stigma. This one is the hood-like a sessile stigma. This type of hood-like a sessile stigma is especially found in piper. Okay, it is also one of the different style. Okay, these are the different types of styles on the arrangement on the basis of their structure. The first one is apical style, lateral style, gynobasic style, feathery style, funnel style, and also radiate styles. Okay, this one is information about the gynoecium. Every point is very, very important. Once again, I want to repeat that one.